Let me show you the best way to display a YouTube playlist on your Elementor website. This is by using the Smash Balloon YouTube Feed Pro plugin. It lets you create, customize, and display a YouTube feed like this in a matter of minutes with no coding needed. To get started, visit smashballoon.com and purchase YouTube Feed Pro. Once purchased, you can find your download link and license key for the plugin inside your Smash Balloon account. Download YouTube Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Now on your WordPress site, on the left-hand side, hover over Plugins and click on Add Plugin. Next, click Upload Plugin, upload the zip file for YouTube Feed Pro, and click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. There we go, YouTube Feed Pro has been installed and activated. On the left-hand side, you'll now notice YouTube Feed. Hover over it and click on Settings. Here, beside License Key, you can enter the license key from your Smash Balloon account. Then click Activate. And at the top here, you can now see that our license key has been activated, and we can begin creating our YouTube playlist feed. On the left-hand side, under YouTube Feed, click on All Feeds. To get started with creating your YouTube playlist feed, click on Add New, and for the first step, we'll have to select the feed type. With YouTube Feed Pro, you can create a feed of videos from any YouTube channel, videos from any playlist, videos that match a specific search criteria, your YouTube live streams, and more. Let's go with the playlist option and click Next. It will now ask you to enter a YouTube API key. I've already got mine ready, but if you want to learn how to create one for yourself, you can click on the video tutorial on the top right corner of your screen, or follow our written guide in the description of this video. Once you have your API key, paste it like this, then click Add. On the next step, we'll have to enter the playlist ID for the playlist we want to display inside our feed. Let's go into YouTube, and here's the playlist I want to display, by pickup lines. To add this playlist inside YouTube Feed Pro, all you have to do is copy the URL at the top, everything from PL onwards, like so. Copy this, head back into YouTube Feed Pro, and paste that over here. After pasting it, click Next. For the final step of creating our YouTube playlist feed, we'll have to select the template for the layout of our feed. We have options like the default, carousel, cards, list, and more. To display our playlist, let's go with the list template. Once selected, click Next. And straight away, you'll see a live preview of your brand new YouTube playlist feed. It's featuring the latest videos from the YouTube playlist that we connected. And this one's by the YouTube channel called Pickup Lines. At the top of the feed, we have the first video inside the playlist, which site visitors can click and view directly on your Elementor site. And if I scroll down, we can see the rest of the videos in the playlist too. The feed is now ready to be embedded inside Elementor, but before I show you how to do that, let me show you how we can quickly customize this. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, go into Feed Layout. Here you can customize the layout of your YouTube feed, and because we selected the list template, the layout is in a list view, which displays your YouTube videos in a single column list. The first option here is a grid layout. This one displays your YouTube videos in rows and columns, but at the moment we're only displaying 2 videos, which you can see down here. I'm just going to modify that so you can see how this works. Just type in the number of videos you want to display, so let's go with 6, and instantly your YouTube feed is updated to display 6 videos instead of 2. You can now see the grid layout in full effect. Second option is the gallery layout. This one displays the first video in your playlist at the top of the feed inside a video player, followed by the rest of the videos in the grid. And lastly, we have the carousel layout. This one lets you swipe through the videos inside your feed by clicking on the buttons on the left and right hand sides. For this demonstration, let's continue with the list layout. And as you saw earlier, you can customize the number of videos you want to display. And because we've entered 6 videos here, you now have 6 videos inside the list as well. Once you're happy with the layout of your feed, click Save on the top right corner. Next, let me show you how we can customize the color palette of your YouTube feed. Under the Customize tab, click on Color Scheme. At the top here, you can see that it's currently set to inherit from theme, which means that your YouTube feed will automatically match the design of your WordPress theme. Alternatively, you can go with a light theme, dark theme, or even a custom theme where you can select the exact colors you want for your feed like this. And once you have a color scheme you're happy with, click Save on the top right corner. YouTube Feed Pro also has the ability to display video comments inside a feed. To enable this feature, under the Customize tab, go into Videos, and inside this menu, click on Video Player Experience. Right here in the middle, we can see a toggle for comments. Let's toggle it on. Once enabled, you can choose the number of comments you want to display inside the feed. By default, it's set to 20, and I'm going to keep it as is. It's totally up to you. Let's go click on Save Changes. And if you want control to moderate the content inside your YouTube feed, so that you have control to choose the exact videos you display, go into the Settings tab and click on Filters and Moderation. Here you'll find tools to help you filter the videos inside your feed. At the top, we have the allowed words or hashtags. This is where you can enter specific words or hashtags, and your YouTube feed will only display videos containing those words or hashtags. Underneath this box, you have the inverse of that, the blocked words or hashtags. So if you enter anything here, it will block any video containing those words or hashtags. And down at the bottom, you can also enter specific video IDs to hide them manually. This way you have complete control over what videos you display inside your feed. And if you add any filters, make sure to click Save on the top right corner. Alright, now that you know how to create and customize your YouTube playlist feed, let me show you how we can embed it inside Elementor. To embed it, click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, and click on Add to a Page. Select the page you want to embed your feed to, let's go with Home, and click on Add. Now inside our WordPress webpage, we can click on Edit with Elementor, and here we are now inside our Elementor webpage, and if I scroll down, we can display our YouTube playlist right here. To embed it, we can search for a shortcode block. That's this one here. So we can click, drag, and drop it right here. All right, so once that's placed, we can go and paste the shortcode on the left-hand side here, and then click on Publish. Let's now go to our live Elementor webpage and see what that looks like. And here we are now on our live Elementor webpage, and if I scroll down, we can see our brand new YouTube playlist feed right here. This one's displaying the YouTube videos from the playlist that we connected by pickup lines. If we scroll down, we had that first video at the top, and if a site visitor wants to watch this video, they can click on it, and that video will start playing automatically directly on your Elementor page. I'm going to pause that for now, and underneath this video, you'll also have a subscribe button. If site visitors click on that, that will take them directly to your YouTube channel with a prompt here asking them if they'd like to subscribe. This makes it really easy to convert your site visitors into YouTube subscribers. Back inside our YouTube feed, you can also see the rest of the videos inside our feed underneath the first video. And beside the video title, you also have a button that says Show Comments. If we click on the button, that will display the comments for this video underneath. You can see the author of the comment here with the profile picture and account name, when that comment was published, the comment itself, the number of likes that comment received, as well as the replies, which I can open up by clicking here. This gives you full potential to show off all the engagement on your YouTube videos directly on Elementor as well. Right now, I'm going to hide the comments, and if we scroll down further, you can see that we're displaying 6 videos inside our feed just as we specified. And right at the bottom, you'll also find a button that says Load More. If a site visitor clicks on that, that will load additional videos directly inside your YouTube feed on your Elementor website. And there you have it. That's how we can create, customize, and display a YouTube playlist feed like this on your Elementor website. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any issues, please contact our awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. Please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching.